There's been a major drop in HIV cases in Queensland in what's been dubbed a modern miracle. Live now to Brendan Smith in Brisbane. Brendan, what are the new figures showing?
Well, the new Queensland health figures show that in 2019, 153 cases of HIV were recorded here in Queensland. That's more than a 37% drop in cases on 2014 figures, which showed 245 cases. Now, health professionals credit this drop in the number of HIV cases to a number of things, including a ramping up of testing across Queensland since 2014 and a number of preventative measures, including people being able to take the antiviral drug if they are diagnosed with HIV. They also credit the use of the pre-exposure prophylaxis drug, or PrEP, which is used for people who are at higher risk of contracting HIV. If they do take one tablet per day, that will prevent them from contracting the virus. Now, Queensland Health is hopeful that if people do continue these preventative measures like using those pre-exposure prophylaxis drugs or getting tested, the amount of HIV will continue to decrease here in the Sunshine State. Right now in Queensland, there's still around 5,500 people living with HIV. It's hoped that number will remain stagnant if these procedures are put in place, and they are calling it a modern miracle based on the amount of deaths that occurred in the 80s and 90s.